Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Vita Studio, and today a quick video to share with you a free pack for Davinci Resolve. This pack used to be for sale on our website, but we removed it a few years ago because it wasn't aligned anymore with the quality standard that we set for ourselves. However, it's still a very useful pack, and I felt like it was a shame to let it collect dust on a hard drive, so instead I've decided to share it with you for free. You can download it with the link in the description below, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so you can download that title with the link in the description below. We'll give you the zip file, just double click on it to unzip it. In the folder you'll find a couple of things. You get the license, the installation instruction, the DRFX file, and the font. Please make sure to install all the font, otherwise the title will not work because Davinci will not know what font to use. For this specific title we've used Montserrat, the Montserrat family, so just select all of the font and then double click on them to start the installation process. If you've already installed the Montserrat family from us, you don't have to redo it. You can then go over to the DFX file, double click on that. It will prompt open this window right here, asking you if you want to install it. Just select install. Then once you are in Davinci Resolve, you can go over to Effect, Titles, Video Editor Studio, and then you can scroll all the way down until you find the social search bar. It's actually one single title that contains a different title within it. So here you can just take that and drag that in your timeline. You can extend it to whatever length you want. And then here, if we check in the inspector, as you can see, you can switch the look for the different social search bar available. So here, for example, if you want to switch to Twitch, you could do that. You have Amazon, you have Google, you have Facebook, you have Instagram. Some of those might not be fully up to date, as you can see with the current Instagram logo, which is a long time ago. I think this one we made it probably 6 years ago or something like that. So yeah, there is some stuff that might not be fully up to date. Some, like the Pinterest one, for example, or the YouTube one, didn't age too bad, so they are still usable. But yeah, the Instagram might not be your best bet right here. You have control over the overall size and position as usual, the text right there, as well as the design color that you can modify. And that's pretty much it. That's a very easy and simple title that can still be helpful, I think, in some situation, even though it's a very old one. Probably, made it 6 or 7 years ago, as I mentioned. Anyway, I still hope it will be of use. If you want more asset and pack, you can find some on our website at videoeditorstudio.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates built only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack that contains over 150 elements. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.